first 5 kilometers. Yes. You are from
Shillong.
Shillong. And then I also from Shillong. Sini. Sini. Share ke sini? Tidak.
Madina.
Apa ayo? Narang scan.
Madam has come from Shillong to participate in this half marathon at Kokrajhar.
Koi biasanya?
All set for this 21 kilometers. And all the 21 kilometers are...
Sini. Sini. Okay, you from Kokrajhar? Yes, we from Shillong. No, Shillong. Oh, nasar. Tetap.
₹1,000 of prize money in the 5 kilometer category, swim subs, and that's a
Nakasan kilometer Bawan Nikong ide is Kemlang Suba overall.
Mascot of our Kokrajhar NCC half marathon, Sonu.
Yuk cash prize kebolong Shipong aja tinggal.
And the winner is here, 10 kilometer.
Scambler 5 kilometer.
5 kilometer winner.
Scambler subs 5033 with a timing of 15 minutes.
Huge round of applause for him, the winner of 5 kilometer.
The 10 kilometer female category, we have bib number 1005. I request bib number 1005, 1002 and 1008. Skim line subs.
Skim subs.
I request bib number 1005, 1002 and 1008 to quickly come near to the stage. Please, be fast. Be fast. 1005, 1002 and 1008. And getting a prize of 20,000 rupees. So Pahi, I request. So let's welcome Chandrakala. She took 36 minutes and 31 seconds with an average pace of 3 minutes 40. She is the first runner-up.
A huge round of applause.
And getting a prize of 30,000 rupees. Can we have a clap? Everyone there. 30. With the timing of 36 minutes and 4 seconds, with a winning amount of 50,000 rupees. That's the huge amount for the young. Good. Hard work and sweat have paid. Okay, now. Sangeeta Paul and 36 minutes 4 seconds is for 10 kilometers with an average pace of 3:37. Now moving to the 10 kilometer of time run full category, we have bib number 10.
Sanpo San Khandai Snem Iwan Karan Kamaningkong ide M Don Borlindo ipendap San Pendreu minit 4 second. Yuk cash prize long new hajar San Spa 3.
Apa ni medal?
Iklim ikut na.
Klub cup lagi lah jom. Lah cup RM ni. San kilometer ni.
Lah pendap.
Dah. Lah pendap hai. Kalau apa pendapat. benar sedang gue. So next mah. Celebration with you want for fast 5 kilometer na? Yeah. We are from
Silong.
Shillong. And then I also from Shillong.
Hindi nung po.
Hah?
Hindi nung po.
Oh, tidak nak po. Kertas kau nam tay?
Kertas scam lang.
Scam lang oh, tak ada jat.
Kay Suba.
Jat sebab. Fisar kasih na. Tidak.
Di na.
Apa ayu?
Narang scan.
Narang scan. Kertas kau mana?
Nan po.
Daun kupar. Nira. Fira.
Hindi nung po.
Nanong po. Tak kertas kau mana?
Kertas Yokim.
Yokim kemjap.
Oh, kem job re.
Tak. Ngah have channel mah sa upload kan mah. Fi na
Nung po.
ini ru nampak hijau passionate dan bak lah hijau dan bak hijau kiba ya
ka age category gablang saupo sa kandai ni sendrang James Carter L Kongsi dipendap mulai pukul minit kandai second iwan kadang kebalai iyo arja tingkat Kuliah Jumani Euro Session 4 Tekalong Gawa Sultanat Biang Session Ban Pentip Syapi Ba Inong Marek Kajala Kajungi Gile Shimenta Hapo Kokrajhar Hapo Assam Tekidon Kinong Job Komba Ar Phongwood AA Hakaneka Marathon Kokrajhar NCC Marathon